So this camera is a Canon EOS Rebel SL1. It is a DSLR camera and it has 18 megapixels, which refers to the image quality. To charge this camera, you open up this hole down here and there's a battery that pops out and you stick it in a charging dock. The lens. This is the lens, and inside it's got the shutter which takes the picture. This is the viewfinder. It lets you see through the camera one way, and then if you hit this camera button right here, it'll switch to the LCD screen, which is just as easy to use. To turn this camera on, you're going to flip this switch from off to on, and if you wanted to record a video, you'd flip it up one more to the video mode, but we're just going to keep it on camera mode. To view the pictures you've taken, you go to the playback button, which is this little triangle and a rectangle, and that shows you all the pictures you've taken on the camera. They're not very good. And then if you want to delete one, you press the trash can and use this little keypad to go over to erase, and then you hit the middle button. And that's how you do that. This black round button right here is the shutter button, and that's how you take a picture. Ooh, that's got some bad lighting. Yeah, press the button, and that's what it took. The menu button is in the top left corner of the camera, and it displays all the options that your camera is set on that affect your picture. The zoom buttons, you can rotate the lens and that will zoom you in and out. And then there's also these two buttons. This one zooms in and this one zooms out if you don't get close enough with just the lens. If you want to change the flash to turn it on or off, there's a button right on the side. So that means the flash is on because it popped up, and that's just turning it off. And then this mode dial right here determines what mode the camera is in. So right now it's in scene, and this little arrow tells you which knob it's on. So there's scene, sports, close-up, landscape, portrait, creative auto, flash off, scene intelligent auto, program, shutter priority, aperture priority, manual exposure. And that is how you work the camera. So I'm just going to turn it off with the little off switch.